What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing Perrin's Pitch Stop Brace along with the stainless steel clutch line. So without further ado, let's do this. You want to locate your clutch line bracket, which is located right against the firewall as shown here. It's a 12mm bolt. You want to remove that, and then you can remove your clutch line. To get your clutch line out, you want to head over to the clutch master cylinder and use a 10mm wrench to start removing the fitting. Once you have that fitting removed, you can then use a 14mm socket to remove the banjo bolt and washer. Then you can begin installing your new stainless steel clutch line. Once you have your new clutch line in, you're then going to want to use an 8mm fitting and begin bleeding your clutch. Locate the two holes next to the pitch stop mount on the firewall. You're going to want to install the ribbon nuts with the tool that Perrin supplies in their kit as shown. You're going to want to do this until it's compressed tightly against the firewall. Once you have the ribbon nuts installed, you're then going to want to grab a socket and remove the 14mm bolt holding in your pitch stop mount. Once that bolt is removed, we can install the passenger side brace with the included bolts and washers. Once the passenger side brace is installed, you're then going to want to head over to your driver's side and remove the two 12mm bolts holding in your clutch master cylinder. Those two nuts are removed, you're then going to want to install the driver's side brace. Once you have installed the brace, you're then going to want to reinstall the two 12mm bolts back into your clutch master cylinder. You're going to want to remove your OEM pitch stop. To do this, you're going to need a 14mm wrench and socket. Now before you install your new Perrin Pitch Stop mount, you're going to want to use the included lube in the kit and lube up the bushings on both sides. You can now begin installing your new pitch stop mount into your car. You're going to want to use the provided bolt washer and nut in the kit. Once you have all bolt washers and nuts installed, you can then tighten everything down and you are all good to go. Alright guys, that's it for this week's video. Make sure you stay tuned for next week's video. You're not going to want to miss that. As always, please remember you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!